The mass of one oxygen molecule is, the mass of one oxygen molecule is, oxygen molecule means O2, O2 का mass 32 gram, 32 gram, 32 gram means how many molecules? 6.022 into 10 power 23. Oxygen molecules equal to 32 grams, 32 grams. But the question is asking one molecule mass how much? Cross multiplication. One molecule of oxygen equal to dash, don't know, that is x. Take it as x equal 32 upon Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 power 23. Yes, this divide and multiplication you can do. Tell me the correct answer. 5.3 into 10 power minus 23. 6 5 30. Almost approximate value I am writing 5 into 5.1 into 10 power 23. Going up, so that means 10 power minus 23. Option will be second option. Okay, 5.3 into 10 power minus 23. Is it clear, first one? Hello everyone. Right. Next, 127. Question number 127. Question number 127. What is that? Assertion. 22.4 liter of ethane at STP contains 1 mole of hydrogen molecules. 22.4 liter ethane. .4 liter of ethane at STP. 22.4 liter of ethane at STP contains 1 mole of hydrogen molecule. 1 mole of hydrogen molecule H2. Once you will see, ethane means what? C2H6. C2H6. 22.4 liter means 1 mole. In 1 mole, how many carbons are there? 2 moles carbon. 2 moles carbon is there, and 3 moles hydrogen gas is there. H2. 1 mole of H2 is there, the statement, but actually 3 moles H2 is there. Total 6 hydrogen atoms are there. 6 hydrogen atom means 3 H2 molecules. 3 H2 molecules. So this statement is wrong. Yes, assertion is wrong. 1 mole of hydrogen molecule at STP occupies 22.4 liter. 1 mole of hydrogen. Yes, that's true. कोई भी gas, any gas, 1 mole of any gas. But here asking, telling that hydrogen gas occupies 22.4 liter. That is true at STP condition. At STP condition. So first one wrong, A is wrong, reason is correct. A is wrong but R is correct, right? 127, fourth option, right? Got it clear? (126) and 127, is it clear? Do you have any doubt? You can ask. Next, 128. 128. The A option, 1 gram, 1.008 means nothing but 1 gram. 1 gram of hydrogen, 1 gram of hydrogen equal 3 into 10 power 23 molecules. Why? Half mole, because half mole. Okay, so A is fourth. A is 1 gram H2, that equal 2 gram is the 1 mole. 1 gram is half mole. Half mole means 3 into 10 power 23. Okay, so A is 4. A is 4. Next B, 245 gram of KClO3. See, 10 silver atomic mass. Silver atomic mass is 108. Here it is given 10.8 gram is given. 10.8 gram is given. This is equal to 1 mole. This is equal to 0.1 mole. 0.1 mole. 0.1 mole का दूसरा नाम है 0.1 ग्राम एटम. ग्राम एटम. So D is 1. D is 1. A is 4. B 245 grams of KClO3. You have to do the calculation. 2 potassium. देखो KClO3. 3 oxygen. Potassium how much? Okay. 18 plus 9, 27, 5, 32, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 122.5. Okay, KClO3 molecular mass, potassium 39, chlorine 35.5, oxygen 16, 3 oxygens are there, 3 16s, do the total sum, 122.5, 122.5. That means 122.5 grams equal 1 mole. 122.5 gram equal to 1 mole. But here 245 gram is given. 245 gram is 2 moles. 245 gram equal to 2 mole. 2 moles. Now see the options. 22.4 liter to wrong. 12 into 10 power 23 molecule. Yes. So third option is suitable for B. A is 4, B is 3. C 71 gram chlorine. 71 gram chlorine is 1 chlorine 35.5. 1 chlorine 35.5. If you take 1 more chlorine 35.5. So total 71. 71 gram equal 2 moles of chlorine atoms. But at the same time 1 mole of chlorine molecule. 1 mole of chlorine molecule. This 1 mole occupying 22.4 liter at STP. 1 mole of any gas occupies 22.4 liter. So the correct option is C is second, 22.4 liter. So finally answer is 1, first option. First option, option 1. Option 1. Understood? Okay, will you do like this? Now you ask me 129, 30, 31, 32, 33. Up to 133, which question you want? Up to question number 133, you ask me which question? You want explanation? (129) also you have to do similar. Weight of the compound 5.4 gram of N2O5. Then weight of oxygen. Shall I explain 129 में one option I will explain. First one, in 5.4 gram of N2O5. (129) the 129 A option I am explaining. 5.4 gram of N2O5. 5.4 gram of N2O5. In that, weight of oxygen we have to calculate. Weight of oxygen. Weight of oxygen. Oxygen we have to calculate. Right? First of all, you calculate N2O5. How many? What is the molecular mass? What is the molecular mass? N2 equal 28. O5. 16 5s are 80. Yes, 80. The total is 8 and 10. 108. If you take 108 gram, in that 80 gram of oxygen will be there. I am writing here. If you take 108 gram of N2O5, in that 80 gram oxygen will be there. Oxygen will be there. How much? 80 gram. If you take 108, but I am taking only 5.4 grams. If I am taking only 5.4 gram, how much is there? Cross multiplication. Okay, don't know it is x. Then x equal 5.4 into 80 upon 108. Yes, will you do it? 8.8 gram of carbon dioxide. In 8.8 gram of carbon dioxide, 8.8 gram of carbon dioxide. In 8.8 gram of carbon dioxide, dash grams of oxygen is there. Yes, you do it. Same process, similar. I will write here one hint. Carbon is 12 grams. Oxygen is how much? 32. Total 44. That means if you take 44 gram of carbon dioxide, in that 32 gram of oxygen will be there. If you take 44 grams of carbon dioxide, in that 32 gram of oxygen will be there. Right? Now I am taking 8.8 grams. Cross multiplication. Do it and tell me. Fast. How much? 44 grams of carbon dioxide, in that 32 gram oxygen will be there, but I am taking 8.8 gram carbon dioxide, then how many grams of oxygen will be there? Cross multiplication. These two equal to this two. That means x equal here 32 into 8.8 upon 44. So your answer is 6.4. Very good. So now you understood how to calculate. So C and D also you can do. Then in case of 130, gram molar volume. 130. Gram molar volume means 22.4 liter. That means 1 mole occupying volume. Avogadro number, you know that 6 into 10 power 23. Atomic mass unit 1.6 into 10 power minus 24. So we know that in the 22.4 liters, how many particles are there? 6. Approximate 6 into 10 power 23. Okay, 22.4 liters. 22.4 liter, if I write in the ml, 22,400 ml. 22,400 ml. In 22,400 ml of volume, 6 into 10 power 23 molecules or atoms are present. Okay, now I'm calculating in 1 ml how many? In 1 ml how many? Don't know. X. Then X equal these two equal to this one. So 6 into 10 power 23 upon 22,000. So I can write it here 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2.24 into 10 power 4 I can write. What I'm writing here? 2.24. 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. 2.24 into 10 power 4. The 10 power 4 is going up. Then what will happen? So 10 power 18 हो जाएगा. 10 power 18. 6 by 2. 6 by 2 means approximately 3. 3 into 10 power 18. 23. Wait, 23. 62. Sorry. Here 23, right? Here 19. Okay, cross multiplication only here. Next 131. Number of moles of compound is given, number of moles of oxygen atoms. Here also I will explain one option in 131. 1.5 moles of barium carbonate. 1.5 moles of barium carbonate. 1.5 moles of barium carbonate contains how many number of moles of oxygen atoms? Dash moles of oxygen atoms or molecules? Oxygen atoms. Number of moles of oxygen atoms. Very simple. Barium carbonate 1.5 moles. How many atoms are there in each barium carbonate? 3 atoms are there. 3 atoms. So into 3. Oxygen molecule is a little difficult. Little. Next step, one more step is there. But you are asking atoms. Atom is direct atomicity. Okay. So 1.5 into 3. So that is 4.5 moles of atoms. 4.5 moles of atoms. If it is asking molecule, just divide with 2. Molecule पूछे तो, okay, even I will write here same answer में 2.25 moles of oxygen molecules. Even it is not asked, but I am telling you, atoms है तो just into atomicity, molecule है तो oxygen diatomic molecule. That's why I am dividing by 2. If it is tetraatomic, divide with 4. Triatomic, divide with 3. After getting atoms. Okay, got it? Like this you can do. 131 over 132. Listen carefully. Next B and C you have to do. 132 option A. I am going to explain now. 3 grams of ethane equal to dash volume. 3 grams of ethane equal to dash liters. Volume at STP. Okay. Liter at STP. Right. You have to know here ethane molecular mass. Ethane molecular mass. Ethane makes C2H6. Carbon 12. 12 plus 12, 24 plus 6. That equal to 30. Ethane ethane molecular mass is 30. Ethane molecular mass is 30. Okay. Now 30 gram ethane is occupying 22.4 liter at STP. 30 gram ethane occupy 22.4 liter at STP. So now the question is 3 gram ethane will occupy how much volume at STP? Cross multiplication, take it as x, then x equal 22.4 into 3, these two multiplication, upon 30. So 3 1 are 3 10 are. That means 2.24 liters. 2.24 liters. Is there answer? Yes. Second option. Now you calculate 7 gram of nitrogen equal to how much? 7 gram of nitrogen. See, students generally will confuse whenever the molecule is diatomic and triatomic. Okay. So nitrogen कैसे होता है? N2 what is the molecular mass? 28 grams. 28 gram. It is not 14 gram. Each single nitrogen 14, but 14 plus 14 28. 28 gram occupies 22.4 liter at STP. Now the question is asking 7 gram how much? Don't know x. Then x equal 22.4 into 7 upon 28. 7 1 is 7 4. So answer is 5.6. Hello, understood everyone now? At least response to दे दो. Yes, understood. Right. Do one thing now. 3.55 grams chlorine. 3.55 grams. You do that calculation. 3.55 gram chlorine equal to dash 3.55 gram of chlorine. Atom and molecule से कुछ लेना देना नहीं है. Okay. So chlorine also is a diatomic. Chlorine also Cl2 diatomic. Diatomic means each chlorine 35.5, that equal to 71 gram. If 71 gram is there, 22.4 liter, we have only 3.55 grams. 3.55 grams. Just do the cross multiplication, you will get answer. Okay. 1.1 liter, only one student given reply, but what about others? 4.6 into 10 power 22. 4.6 into 10 power 22 atoms equal dash grams. How many grams it is? 13.8 grams. 13.8 grams given. This element is X, we don't know that X element. They are asking what is the atomic mass. They are asking atomic mass. For that, atomic mass always considered 1 Avogadro number of atoms mass is atomic mass. Okay.